Pyruvate dehydrogenase is a multi-enzyme complex. It links glycolysis to the citric acid cycle. This process is known as oxidative decarboxylation. It occurs in the mitochondrial matrix. Pyruvate is a 3-carbon molecule. It is converted into acetyl-CoA, a 2-carbon molecule. A carboxyl group is removed as carbon dioxide. The remaining acetyl group is transferred to coenzyme A. Acetyl-CoA then enters the citric acid cycle. It reacts with oxaloacetate to form citrate. Therefore, acetyl-CoA is the specific intermediate. It is produced by this enzyme complex before the cycle.